really pretty pinnacles, but I don't know, like, if you can see them from there. We might have been. Oh no, they're here. They are. They're coming. Look. I want to watch them as well at the same time. Welcome back to episode 3. We are traveling through Utah, and it is such a beautiful place to be traveling through. And through this episode, we're going to be showing you a little bit about what we get up to on my birthday, and also heading back home to show you our 30th birthday celebrations with a special guest. Stay tuned. Good morning. As you can tell, it is freezing here in Utah. We pulled up last night and I found a sneaky little spot on iOverlander. It is so cute. This is our little spot. It is just off a little side road, and it's like a one RV spot pull-in, and we were lucky enough to be the only one here to snag it. But nice little tip on iOverlander, but this is the area that we stayed in last night. I'll show you. I'm pretty sure last night I heard some creature rustle around to come and check out. But look, there's a little river down here. You can hear it. The snow. Very pretty. But yeah, just wanted to say good morning, and we are on our way to Salt Lake City. We're only probably going to do a few things there. Do some like art gallery looking, street art, sorry, and the salt fields that are there as well. Here's Sam to come out and say good morning. It is my 30th birthday party, and we are and Kayla's out there. Hi! And their freaking van caravan thing is just like, it is unreal. It is unreal. It's even more amazing than you would even expect. Like, look at this. Like, it's just incredible. Look. Oh my god, you guys are amazing, and thank you so much for coming to my party. Thank you.
Yes, it is so good.
They're so amazing. Yeah, come in.
We're going to the caravan.
We've got everyone coming in and having a look. So these guys did it from absolute scratch. They have a YouTube channel as well. It's under Troy and Kayla, and they actually explain exactly. This is Evie, my friend. Actually, sorry, I'll scrap that. Evie, my bestie, and Danny, also my bestie. These two are like my loves. And anyway, this caravan was built from scratch, like absolute scratch. Everything, every single little thing. It's amazing. They're amazing. Wow. So today being my Australian birthday, yay, happy birthday. But we are going to celebrate tomorrow, but we went out and got a little something, a little present, little gift, and it makes me so excited. But we went out and got a drone. Impulse buy. Just a little gift. And we just had a little bit of a play with it out at the Salt Lakes. I'll show you the salt flats out there. So we'll put some shots that we got. We're a little rookie at it to begin with. So I'm going to do some like waterfall shots tomorrow because we're going to Twin Falls in
Idaho.
Mm.
Utah has definitely been probably one of the the most beautiful states to drive through that we've sort of been through so far.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's just snow-capped mountains everywhere.
Yeah.
The people are really friendly.
Yeah.
It's been
lots
a really
of people
been
like
a pleasure.
chatting
Been a
and stuff.
pleasure to drive through Utah.
I met a lovely couple just before asking where our favorite I haven't eaten today, so
Where
I'm
our
going
favourite
with-
camp spot so far has
Yes, and we had quite a long conversation at the petrol station, at the
gas station,
Gas
yeah.
station. He was really lovely, and him and his wife, and they're actually going to be in Seattle at the same time that we're going to be there, and I think they're going to end up in San Francisco at the same time that we're going to be there. So it was really like weird, but it's funny because he's been to 48 states, so he just needs to do Alaska and North Dakota. So we're talking about like that's my dream. That's why we're doing this, because I want to be able to do all 50 states in America, and obviously we want to do all of our states and territories in Australia as well once we get to that point. All right, guys, we'll show you the drone shots. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since we had a little video. I think we were probably just a little tired of driving, but take one guess of where we are. We are in Seattle, Washington. It's pretty cool. It reminds us a lot of Sydney, Australia. So this is us. And we're literally sitting like on glass stuff.
Clear bits and perspex.
Huh?
Clear bits and perspex.
Mr. Know-it-all over here. But no, it's a beautiful city. We're going to go and watch the sunset at Kerry Park. But it's really pretty. What do you guys think?
They should kneel down.
It's beautiful. It's a city. You can see all the mountains. You can see there's lots of buildings, but it's very Sydney, Australia.
It's
Like,
got a
isn't
real
it?
Sydney vibe.
Very Sydney,
Especially down on the street.
even like the
Got
like the
ferries
type-
running, Circular
Yeah.
Quay,
Yeah,
Centrepoint Tower.
Yeah, exactly. But we've just decided tonight that we are going to drive up north as far as we can and cross the border over to Vancouver.
So to Canada,
Yeah.
just for the hell of it.
Yeah, just for the hell of it.
Just 'cause we can.
Just because we can, got some nice clothes. We're going to go and do the bridge. We're going to go to Hope as well and see the bridge there.
We hope.
We hope. We hope. That's cute. That's cute. It feels like a lady's taking photos of us right now. Makes us feel really awkward. So weird.
你那个手机要来音量的地方太近了。
So I had a little bit of a malfunction on my phone. We went down to
Pike Place Market.
where
They throw fish at each other.
Yeah.
Or to each other. Yeah.
and we did the Ghost Alley where they put all the bubble gum down there. That's not. It's a bit yucky. Kind of gross. So we've just come around the other side.
You can see her. There she is. Hey. Hey, creepy Chinese lady.
Yeah, she was taking photos of us again. You could hear was. And there's probably about 200 shots, so.
There's a lot of it's pretty rapid fire photography.
enjoyed, the third section, I guess, of our trip. We're still
Third episode.
fourth episode. I don't know what we're up to of our trip. And now we'll start our new episode from Canada, and then we'll be coming back through Washington again. We'll be going to Portland. We'll be going to San Francisco and many other places and things along the way. So we're really excited about that, but we just wanted to say thank you so much for watching and tuning in.
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side. All right, peace out, bye.
G'day, how you going?